so I'm here with Michael. But yeah, stay tuned. We're going to Chris's house, but we don't want to dox his ass, so. Alright, so we made it at Chris's house. He doesn't want us here, but you know, we still gotta be here. I don't want to dox the dude, but somewhere there is where he lives. Michael's trying to like text him that we're here. What does he say?
I said, come out, boy. And I sent this picture of his door. We're literally here. There's no way he's not gonna come outside. Going to Arcade Odyssey. Oh. Yes.
I just got home from college. Yo, we haven't seen each other over a year either. What the fuck?
No, it has not. I saw you like. When was the last time I saw you?
I don't even know.
Bro, last time you saw him was when.
Yeah, it was the Christmas. It was the Christmas thing.
It was Christmas last year. Remember when we went? I put like things on my lip.
No.
Bro, kiss him. I need clickbait. Come on.
No.
Hold up. You're gonna hit me.
I told you I'm not leaving.
You also said you weren't coming outside. What are you doing tomorrow?
Girlfriend. Tomorrow I have class again.
Okay, then fucking do it tomorrow when you have class, or do it when you get back. It's only been an hour. It's
Tomorrow
9.
I'm gonna have a new assignment.
It's 9. You have all fucking thing.
What do you mean? I have to wake up tomorrow at 6:30 a.m.
Whoa, that's not my fault.
You told me. I told you not to go.
Bro, I wanted to hang out with you. Bro. We could easily just go, but we wanted to hang out with you. Bro.
Guys, should we just take him? Because
Let's
what
just
the
take it.
fuck? Yeah, let's just
Put him
take
in.
him.
Oh shit.
Put him in. Pants him.
Yeah, you know you want to.
My girl will get mad.
You got that, right? You got that, right?
No fucking way. This dude actually said he can't go because of his girl.
Bro, it's gonna be an hour. We'll be back quick, I promise.
She wants to go to sleep now.
Tell her to go to sleep.
What the
fuck is that? The fuck, bro?
Yo, future girlfriend, if you deny me from seeing the boys, like, fuck you.
Yo, that's crazy.
All right, Chris, you got 5 seconds, or else I'm about to hunk the fuck out of my car. So, countdown starts right now. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Park in his driveway.
Block off. All right, Chris, you made us do this. We're coming into your house. We're pulling into your house.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Aww.
Is it non-binary?
Bro, why is Chris always naked, bro?
Yo, he doesn't want to fucking come hang out with us, bro.
Why isn't Carlos here right now?
Because look
You
at
got
him.
COVID.
I have COVID.
What the fuck?
Come on, bro. Bro, it's literally an hour. We'll be back at 10.
She's gonna be asleep by then.
Okay?
You don't understand.
Dog, okay, do you want us to come back at 10? Why do you have bangs?
Chocolate bang.
Chocolate?
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 What the fuck?
What the fuck? Sucks. This is not for me.
Tastes like bubblegum. It has a weird taste.
What would you do for $5 grand?
Oh shit, like I'll suck your toes right now, bro.
Nothing sexual. Nothing sexual.
I'll suck your hair low key.
Suck my hair? What the fuck? What's good, daddy?
Yo, what's good, daddy, bro?
Bro, sit your fine ass up.
You trying to be my clickbait? Bet. Haley?
What's a better name, Sylvia or Haley?
Haley.
I'm gonna kill myself.
You wanna be my clickbait?
Yeah.
Pop a tip.
No.
Hell yeah, that's a good thumbnail.
Cool.
Nah, you gotta
Hey.
flash your nipples. That's a
You have to
better.
pay me for that.
Bet. What's your PayPal? Oh shit, this.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're leaving. You think you can go bright? You wanna recreate the David Dobrik scene? You fat pig.
Sir, have you been smoking marijuana tonight?
Yeah.
You been smoking? Yeah? You trying to run away? Hey, stop moving your car. Oh, 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 oh.
What the fuck you waiting for? Alright, so Mike was still behind me. Like, fuck, I'm just trying to leave. You're so fucking close to my car, bitch.
Not that close.
What are you calling? Slow ass, bitch.
Peace out, bro. Hope y'all guys enjoyed this vlog. That's it. Like, we killed it the last 2 vlogs. If this one wasn't it, then I don't know what to tell you. Peace the fuck out.